This is a screenshot of an article that talks about the new image generation capability in ChatGPT, but I wanted to take a look at the structure of the screenshot. First, there is the title, and then there is also the feature image of the article. There is also some subheading and some smaller text like date, text, the author name, some icons, and also some paragraph, which is the content of the article itself. Now, just ignore the content, just focus on the structure of the screenshot. And this is the simplified version of that screenshot that I recreated using ChatGPT. So basically, this is known as skeleton wireframe UI, which is very good for communicating a visual design and also for creating a mockup or just to showcase some simplified version of a website design, which I think makes a lot of sense. If you want to showcase some design on the internet, I think you want to make it to be as simple as possible. You don't want to have too many text. It's kind of confusing, just to make it simple and easy to understand the structure. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert a screenshot of a website, a blog post, article, or maybe an app into a wireframe skeleton UI like this one using ChatGPT. Now, we are creating a picture. We're not creating a wireframe code or format that can be recreated into a website. No, this is only for creating a mockup, creating a visual picture. It is not for creating a website, but again, there's going to be some use cases for this one. Now, let's go to chatgpt.com and you can log in with your account. And for this demonstration, I'll try to convert this blog post from Anthropic Cloud, and I actually have taken a screenshot of this article. So I'm going to just click this icon, click add photos and files, and I'll select this screenshot. It's only the top section of the article, which is fine. And then this is the prompt that you could use. You can check the full prompt in the video description, and feel free to modify the prompt if you know how to do it. Now I'm going to paste that. And here at the end, you can actually specify the aspect ratio that you want to have. In this case, by default, it's going to be spewing out a horizontal picture, but you can replace it with square or even vertical picture if you want to. But I guess I'm fine with horizontal picture. And then you can click tools, click create an image, and then send the whole message, including the picture, to ChatGPT and wait for it to turn this screenshot into a wireframe skeleton in just 1 or 2 minutes. And I'll be back when it is done. All right, so this is the result. It actually looks pretty good. Unfortunately, it is not horizontal. It's much more akin to a square picture, maybe because the original screenshot was much closer to square, but it's okay. I would say the structure is definitely there. If you look closely at the actual article, you'll see there's this announcement label, title, some date, and also the estimation of the time reading the article, picture, and then the paragraph. As you can see, it looks exactly the same. The structure is definitely there. And of course, you can use this prompt to convert a screenshot into a wireframe skeleton in just 1 or 2 minutes using ChatGPT. But one thing here that you need to know is that on my testing, this prompt is not particularly good at converting a screenshot with lots of visual elements. Like if you're trying to convert a YouTube homepage into wireframe like this, it's usually going to struggle. It's not going to be always accurate, but so far for most websites or most apps, I would say it still works just fine. So that's basically how you can convert a screenshot into a skeleton wireframe like this using ChatGPT. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.